What's up, guys? Thank you for Empire here with episode 3, the final episode of the night. We're still looking for some more gordos to pop. I'll tell you guys if we see any. Those are the only two that I knew the location of, so hopefully we can find the location of some more gordos. Are these Oka? Oh no, these are odd onion. Alright, these guys, who likes the odd onions again? The crystal slimes like the odd onions. Okay. Over this way, I believe, is the way to the teleporter. Alright, we finally found odd onions. But something we don't have now is still that Oka for those rad subs. So that's gotta be in this area. Okay, looking good. So this takes us to the lab, or no, to the spawn, I think. Probably to the lab now, I don't know. We'll see. This is under construction, no. Okay, so what I'm going to assume is that there is another gordo here, but I don't know. This has got to be the way to get the gordo. If there is another gordo, I'm gonna have to go with this guy. But where? That's the goal. Ooh! Over there! Yes! That's it. What's up there? Is that one of those purple things? That's one of those purple crackers. Oh boy. We got a lot of stuff for you, buddy. Please pop. The amount of stuff I'm feeding you right now, you don't pop, I'll be so triggered. Because I don't have Oka. Like, I'm not giving you any more hot onion, man. Like, let's see where this takes us really quick. Fucking Slimetopia. Oh, it is. Oh, okay. This is easy access, I guess. I thought that was a lot harder to get to. Well, we just used, like, all of our vegetables, so I don't know if we're screwed. Oh, well, we're not screwed. So let's do this. This is what we're gonna do. Alright, looking good on everything. So let's collect all of these guys. Fuck. Let's go to sleep. Collect. Put these in one of them, right? Put one of these in. Then go back there, finish that gordo off, and end episode. Sounds good to me, sounds good to me. Definitely want to end this episode off with finishing off that gordo, though. And since we're so close, I know we can do it. 2 gordos done tonight, so that's pretty good, guys. So we're gonna leave one of these as heartbeat, but this should put us at 30, which it does. Let's see some carrots. And now we should have, we should be able to use all of that. So that's 39. That should pop him, and then maybe we'll, on our way back, we'll see if we can find an Oka. But that's also going to give us a key, I would assume. And I don't believe that there's another key usable right now. I mean, I don't think there's another door that needs a key right now. But I definitely want to find that teleporter in the other area. We're gonna go along this way. I feel like there's one of those green things, those green pods, out that way later on. So what did we do? Okay. So this should give us a key, and then I definitely want to find the one to the mossy thing, that teleporter, because I still don't have a teleporter in there. Good. Yeah, we were really close, so that's nice. And like I said, a key. Alright. Well, I'll see you on the next one, I guess. In the next one, we're going to be exploring that area that I just saw and trying to find some more gordos.